Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into 1xBet. This is where the two-factor flow lives. Once logged in, open Settings and tap Security or two-factor authentication to start linking. You need Google Authenticator installed. Open it now so you can scan a code immediately. Make sure your phone time is set to automatic because time drift breaks codes. While still in 1xBet, choose Add Authenticator. This initiates the QR or secret key step, and you're ready to move to the scanning phase. Now you scan or manually enter the secret. Open Google Authenticator and tap the plus sign, then choose Scan a QR code or enter a setup key if the camera won't work. Once the account appears, Authenticator will produce a 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Copy the current code quickly. Back in 1xBet, paste or type that code into the verification field and submit. If it rejects, recheck the secret and your phone clock, because timing is the usual cause of failure. Finish by confirming the code and enabling two-factor protection inside 1xBet. You should see a success message. Make sure you save the printed or copied secret key somewhere safe. Use a password manager or an encrypted note, because you will need it to recover access if you lose your phone. If codes fail later, first sync your phone to network time and retry, then re-enter the secret. And if you still can't sign in, contact 1xBet support with account verification ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.